Welcome to one more video by Abron. This is thermistorcharacteristic apparatus. Here we have a connection circuit. Here it is showing as thermistor. Milliammeter is connected, voltmeter is connected. We have the power supply to change the voltage and the on off switch. We can switch on the main, then there is a heater on and off. Inside there is a, here we have the thermistor connected inside. It is connected, and then this is only for transportation. You can remove this from there and then put it. There is one thermometer provided. We can check the what is the temperature inside. The experiment is such that you have to increase the heat, start heating, and then there is a voltage. You can check the voltage 2 volts, 4 volts, 6 volt, 8 and 10 volts. You can change the at any particular voltage how much is the current passing. Let us say the current is this much. We have to connect first of all these two wires to the thermistor, and then this 6 volt is showing 1 milliampere current is coming. You can do what you can do. You can start the heater and heating will be on. You can just check the heating is going on. You can increase it, and thermometer you can check. After that it is open air, how much is this, and when you put it inside, after the heating there will be increase in change in the temperature. Due to the temperature change, this will be changing the current passing through it. You can switch off and on, and the power supply is on. This is a slow experiment, not to be done in minutes. You have to heat it and then see the temperature at different temperature, what is the how the thermistor behaves. Very easy to use, and the setup is very easy. Please visit the website, and we have got this abron01@gmail.com, and this is our WhatsApp number. Please visit the website and do the experiment as per. The thermometer is not a part of it, but it can be supplied if it is asked. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel.